you can probably see a slightly crazy look in my eye. The reason for that? Well, one, I spent about an hour in a Comcast store. Not my favorite internet carrier, but the only option we have here in South Jersey. Had to get a couple boxes replaced, and it was an ordeal, as it always is. It's a shame, but the accounts are goofy, and they just have some issues with processing. But all good. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is this here pumpkin spice iced coffee. It is August 23rd, and Dunkin' Donuts has pumpkin spice. I also had pumpkin donuts, although it's late in the day, so I tend not to get the donuts too late in the day because you know how that goes. But this, good stuff. And of course I get a little chocolate in there too, so it's pumpkin mocha. I call it Halloween in a cup. Oh yeah, it's on. Here we are outside of Home Depot. Judging by the cart, it's pretty obvious we're either building Halloween props or pipe bombs. Definitely Halloween props, not the other, but it always looks like it. But this beautiful night, chill in the air, full moon, it's time to get to Halloween. So today's project is to turn this PVC into a wasteland wall defense weapon. Kind of piece it together a little bit here, give you an idea of what it's going to look like. It's going to be a handle. Cannon is going to go out, reduce down, but then go back up. Something like that. Need to obviously chop this, make it a little bit shorter. But all in all, I think it's going to look pretty sharp. I need to make the barrel shorter. Not the barrel, the breech shorter. Probably keep this about the same length. So, a couple cuts to make. There it is, about halfway done. Looks pretty imposing from that direction. Of course, got to paint it black. And there's going to be some airline going into it. This metal is going to become a frame for it. A little too much here, so I'm going to have to bend it, make a U shape, and cut some excess off. And it's getting there. I'm going to put screws in all the joints just to hold the PVC in place. Faster and easier than using PVC cement, and that way too it comes apart if we need to. We're going to put this on so that the gunner doesn't have to hold the thing up the whole time. Got some 4x20 bolts to go in and hold it together. Of this project, post-apocalyptic wasteland, so things don't have to be perfectly square. so I can build quick and dirty and not be worried about everything being perfect, which is nice. We're going to have a air cannon hooked up through this 1/2-inch polyethylene, I think it is, tubing, plumbed in and out and held in place in the barrel, so that way it actually will be a sort of firing cannon, just an air blast with actor control, although we have a a Monster Guts nerve center, an old one. That will be the trigger, so when the actor presses the button back here, you'll get that boom, 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 boom. So there's our mount. We'll have that mounted on a 4x4 or something similar so the actor has control of it. And there we go, that's a cannon. Every haunter's favorite, 97-cent flat black. Brian Foreman, if you're still looking for it, Home Depot. Walmart was out, but Home Depot had plenty. Alrighty, so it's taken a few hours, mostly because I had to wait for the paint dry, then come back and do a second coat. You see we have it all assembled here. We have the bracket out of aluminum, assembled, painted up, grinded so the edges are rounded off. Have some flex, or seal tight rather, going in from the side just to look like it's something neat. Have our caps on, use some self-tappers to seal it all up. And once we get some parts in from Amazon, there's going to be some tubing coming straight in the back, straight out the front, and that's where the air blast will come from. So she's coming together.